Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Samsung Galaxy A20 versus a Honor 10 Lite. And Honor 10 Lite comes with a high silicon Kirin 710 processor with a 3 GB RAM, while the Samsung Galaxy A20 is having a Exynos 7884 processor with a 3 GB RAM. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time and show you how much a difference between A20 versus the Honor, the mid-range phone. So let's quickly boot. Here we boom. And logo came first on the Honor 10 Lite and A20 is right behind. And Honor is having a much expensive phone than the Samsung Galaxy A20, about 5000 the PKR difference between both of these phones. And A20 is giving you a Super AMOLED display, while the Honor is having a IPS LCD display. And Honor is just a huge faster than the Samsung Galaxy A20, and you can see huge difference between both of these phones. And everything is closed up in the background like always. And the first application is the phone dialer on both phones, and that was about the same on both phones. Very hard to tell who is going to be the fastest one. Launching the settings application on both phones, and that was about the same on both phones again. Launching the calculator on both phones, and this time the Honor is just a faster there. Launching the My Files application, and this time Samsung Galaxy A20 is just a tiny bit the fastest one, about 1 second difference there. So let's launch some games application. First is the Candy Crush on both phones, and faster on the Honor, the 10 Lite, and A20 is right behind. So let's launching next game application is the Subway Surfer on both phones. Here we boom. And again faster on the Honor, and Samsung Galaxy A20 is right behind. Launching the last game application is the Temple Run 2 on both phones. Boom. And again Honor 10 Lite is the fastest one like always in every application, and A20 is right behind. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera on both phones up at the same time. Boom. And faster on the Honor, and A20 is right behind, about 1 second difference there. Launching the internet browser on both phones, Samsung internet versus a Google Chrome. Show you guys what is the speed in the internet browser, and I have launched the internet browser on both phones, and the first website is the wikipedia.org on both phones. And faster on the Samsung Galaxy A20, just a tiny bit, and Honor is right behind, looking very good on both phones. And next up is the Amazon.com on both phones, and faster on the Honor, and Samsung Galaxy A20 is also right behind, and you can see looking very good on both phones, no lag whatsoever. So let's see the important part of this video, the RAM measurement. And both phones is giving you the 3 GB RAM, and that got refresh on the Honor 10 Lite. And last is the internet browser on both phones. And overall I've said that the app's opening speed is faster on the Honor 10 Lite with the faster processor, and A20 is right behind to the Honor 10 Lite. And RAM measurement is very good on the Samsung Galaxy A20, but it is very bad on the Honor 10 Lite. Needs some more optimization with their software updates as well. And thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Samsung Galaxy A20 versus a Honor 10 Lite. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for future content. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.